Now, Jamaica won its first ever medal in the women's 100-meter hurdles at the Olympic Games through Megan Tapper in Tokyo last year. As we continue our build-up to the national championships, we take a look at what is expected to be a competitive women's sprint hurdles field come this weekend. In what is the biggest accomplishment of her career to date, Megan Tapper sped to 12.55 seconds and a bronze for Jamaica in the 100-meter hurdles at the Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan last year. Jamaica had two in that final, with a youthful Brittany Anderson finishing 8th after earlier clocking a personal best 12.40 in the semis. It's an event that is expected to be stacked at the National Senior Championships this weekend, with Demisha Roswell, Akira Nugent, Anderson and 2015 world champion Daniel Williams all below the 12.65 second barrier so far this season. Former world champion Bridget Foster-Hilton knows the event inside out and thinks it will be a battle to the finish.
I will not call the national championships, whichever three ladies make the team to represent Jamaica will be well represented.
Foster-Hilton is going to become the world champion.
Foster-Hilton, who was Jamaica's first ever world champion in the event when she won at the 2009 edition in Berlin, says the new crop of hurdlers have carried the level up a notch from where her generation left it. She thinks something special could be done come Sunday's final at the national championships.
They've taken it to 12 threes, and not to mention Janique is not even there this year. It's just really a whole heap, but just a lot of girls doing really fast times. Maybe they'll lower the national record again.
Tapper at 12.80 seconds and Crystal Morrison at 12.69 seconds are also expected to be among the contenders come this Sunday's final. 2015 world champion Williams currently has a national record at 12.32 seconds set in 2019. Live and exclusive coverage of the National Senior and Junior Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM this Thursday, June 23 to Sunday, June 26.